The Bidni, which is also referred to as Bitni, is an olive cultivar from the Mediterranean island of Malta. The fruit is small in size, and is renowned for its superior oil, which is thought to be low in acidity. The latter is generally attributed to the poor quality alkaline soil found on the Maltese Islands. As an indigenous olive cultivar, the Bidni has developed a unique DNA profile, and is believed to be among the most ancient species on the island, triggering local authorities to declare some of these ancient trees as national monuments, a status which is enjoyed by only a handful of other species. Etymology. According to the Maltese English Dictionary, the word Bidni is derived from baden, which means corpulent, robust, to grow stout. Bidni, zebug, olive, is a large olive tree producing very small olives. Therefore, the tree is called Bidni because it is corpulent. This dispels several online sources which suggest that the word Bidni originated from the rural hamlet of Bidnia, or that the word means hunchback in the Maltese language. Characteristics. In a landmark publication entitled Cultivation and Diseases of Fruit Trees in the Maltese Islands, John Borg, 1922, Professor of Natural History, Superintendent of Agriculture, and founder of the government's experimental farm at Gamieri, described the Bitni as follows. The tree is a vigorous grower and of strong constitution. The leaves are broad and rather short, of a lively shining green color on the upper surface. The fruit is very small, nearly elliptical, with a comparatively very small stone, and turns to a beautiful shining dark violet at maturity, which takes place towards the close of October or early in November. It is very rich in oil of excellent quality, but the fruit, though very small, is often pickled or salted and has a rich flavor free from bitterness. The fruit is produced in clusters, and the production is sometimes astonishing, the tree becoming literally black with fruit. The tree and its fruit are very resistant to disease. The fruit presents also the advantage that it is never attacked by the olive fly Dacasoli and is therefore always allowed to ripen on the tree. This is a variety which seems to be best suited for large plantations, with a view to the production of oil. p. 109. Decades later, the Bitni's disease-resistant qualities still baffle scientists. Described by the Olive Oil Times as a peculiar local variety, reports seem to suggest that abnormally high levels of oleuropein, a natural antibiotic produced by the tree to protect its fruit and leaves, may be behind this remarkable characteristic. Protection. The 2,000-year-old Bidni olive trees, which have been confirmed through carbon dating, have been protected since 1933, and are also listed in UNESCO's database of national cultural heritage laws. In 2011, after recognizing their historical and landscape value, and in recognition of the fact that only 20 trees remain from 40 at the beginning of the 20th century, local authorities declared the ancient Bidni olive grove at Bidnia, limits of Mosta, as a tree-protected area, in accordance with the provisions of the Trees and Woodlands Protection Regulations. 2011. As per Government Notice No. 473/11, other protected Bidni trees are found in the private grounds of Canotta Castle in Wardia. The site was a Roman economic zone for olive production. An olive grove is the most prominent feature of the cultivation for production in the immediate vicinity. The trees on site have been tested by carbon dating and proved to be of the 1st century AD. Although the Bidni olive has no PDO status, there are a number of initiatives, which include studies on its genetic composition, to attain this certification. Apart from legally protecting its name, this status of authenticity is typically used by marketing professionals to gain a competitive advantage at both European and international markets. Revival. In January 2006, the project for the revival of the indigenous Maltese olive, Primo, was launched. Apart from reviving indigenous cultivars, such as the Bidni, one of the aims of this project is to substantially increase production levels in a bid to obtain the much-coveted PDO status. Gastronomy. The Maltese use their olive oil quite generously. In 2012, they ranked 8th in the world in per capita olive oil consumption. Since the island's history is interwoven with olive oil production, this statistic comes as no surprise. With olive oil processing equipment dating back to the Roman Empire, and possibly even before this period, the consumption of oil has since become an integral part of the Maltese diet. For instance, in 1804, French writer Louis de Boisgalen noted that a clove of garlic, or an onion, anchovies dipped in oil, and salted fish, was the usual diet of the Maltese. Nowadays, the use of oil in Maltese cuisine is still predominant. Testimony to this is the popular Maltese snack, Hobbs Biz ZEJT, which literally translates to bread with oil. Although the Bidni is mostly known for its superior oil, the small fruit can also be enjoyed as a table olive. One popular method is to crush Bidni olives in garlic-infused extra virgin olive oil, and then eat these with Maltese bread. Another method is to gently fry Bidni olives after preserving them in brine, and then serve these with seasonal herbs such as parsley or mint. On a different note, the leaves of the Bidni tree have been used to make tea, which is believed to lower high blood pressure. This ancient remedy is still used in rural communities in Malta.